but not with the shits, no shifty shit. We ride with this shit get lit.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a huge day. I've been waiting on this package for quite a few months now. I believe this product has been in a testing phase for a year, maybe even longer. I'm not 100% sure. Boost Auto Parts sent these out to me. They're the new M2 power running boards. I've seen a ton of videos on them on their YouTube channel if you want to go check them out. They look absolutely awesome. I believe they are out now, so you can order them or pre-order them right now on their website. I'll link everything in the description. So this video is basically just going to be unboxing. I got two huge boxes here. I'm going to unbox everything, show you what everything comes with. They sent me out the full package. That's the switchbacks and the Rocklight controller, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't really looked through everything yet, what all it entails. But they have a ton of videos on their channel with it, so if you want to check them out. But I'm going to go through what all they sent me and what comes in the boxes. All right, first box is this massive one, heavy as crap. It says on its brackets, unpackage it real quick. Oh. All right. Some hardware. Got a koozie. Nice sticker. Looks like these are the modules that hook to the headlights. These are actually an option. You have to pay extra for these. See how well this is packaged. This is your box that runs all your functions. More hardware. More hardware. All right. Making a mess. Hopefully you can see that in the video. These are all the pieces to mount the steps, all your retractable pieces. A little up close. All the harnesses, yeah, these harnesses hook to your headlights. And I believe this little white wire is for the Rocklight function. Control board and all your hardware to mount everything. All right, the other small box that I pulled out first, this is your main harness. Even comes with zip ties. Now we'll get to the actual step part. Check them out. All right, there you go. Hopefully that's a better view. Not used to doing this crap. All right, here's your step pieces. Packaged very, very well. Hopefully FedEx guy didn't destroy anything. Doesn't look like it yet. They did send me out the step pads too. I'm not sure if they're in this box or not. They weren't in that other one. Wow. Two harnesses. This looks like this is the Rocklight harness with the fuse on it and the switch. The switch in there. Oh, they actually, that's awesome. They actually already pre-installed the mats. that are on the lights, which I think is awesome. Dude, they look freaking awesome. I'm excited. Huge shout out to Boost Auto Parts for sending these out to me to review them for the channel. The quality, like Boost Auto Parts, I don't care. I've never heard anything bad about them or anything. They top notch customer service. They reach out to me all the time when they get products to come out and everything. I'm a nobody, you know what I mean, which is awesome. And they sent these out to me, not cheap, but I can tell you right now from other buddies that have the other brand retractable steps, these hands down destroy those just by what the motor looks like the mounting. These steps, heavy duty. They got LEDs, the whole strip. Hopefully you can see it in the video. Step pads, you can get different colors in these step pads. I think you get blue, red, and then I went with the gray. But yeah, hopefully you guys can see them. Absolutely amazing. And then yeah, so everything's here. So I'm gonna do an installation video probably hopefully next week or maybe the following week. I got a lot of crap going on, going down to the beach and everything. But yeah, I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you for all the support. The channel's been growing really well. All right, like I said in the other clips, you couldn't see my face or anything because I don't have a big enough tripod yet. Need to buy one. But anyway, huge thank you to Boost Auto Parts for hooking me up. They've sent me out a ton of products. I've done a lot of reviews with them. Their products, hands down, top notch customer service. Any questions I ever had, anything, get right back to me. Like I said, their products are hands down the best. I will, and I'm not just saying that because they've sent things to me. I'm saying that because I've bought their products before. Even getting kind of sponsored through them or whatever, affiliated with them. I'm not 100% sure what I even am with them, to be honest with you. But I will never support anything that I will not use myself. That's not at all what I'm about. Just because somebody sends me something free, I will tell you the honest truth. I have not installed these yet. But with that being said, I can tell you right now, with just looking at the packaging, the harnesses, the hardware, it's top notch. If I know for a fact, if I have any issues, that they will be sending me more parts to fix or whatever, if anything transpires. But it looks like everything's here from the videos that I've seen. But with that being said, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.